the largest waste recycling plant in the whole of Africa by Kobe. Enjoy.
So what you see me now is the biggest compost and recycling plant in the whole of Africa. Not just Ghana, the whole of Africa. And it's right here in Ghana. As I hear the thing, me self, my mind burst. Now with this rain way happening right now, this flood and things way happen, you ask yourself, the cleaning exercise where we do, no, where all this boiler they go? All this plastic and things, the way they do they rot, where they go. Now, where you see me right now is the Accra Compost and Recycling Plant, where they do 360 recycling. When I say 360 recycling, I'm talking about bringing the boiler in, make a talk boiler, so say go back. Then they bring the boiler in, process everything, recycle it, make sure say everything in the boiler, whether it be banku, whether it be plastic, whatever it be, then go recycle them again into something productive, where they go put them back into the society. Not just in Ghana too, then they do one for Africa, in other countries. Charlie, Mr. First I hear it bust my mind. I have to come and see it for myself.
So what happens here is that when the waste comes, we weigh it. We have a weighing bridge that weighs the waste for us to get to know the weight of waste that is coming in. So be it the aboboya or the tipper truck and the trucks that will bring it, the compactors and whatever, they will go to the receiving bay and tip.
Okay.
So at the receiving bay, we have what we call the uniform feeder. The payloader will feed the waste into the uniform feeder, which will also feed it uniformly on the conveyor belts. And then we have sorters there. We have primary sorters. They will now sort out the primary bulky materials like the textile, the tires and whatever. Then the waste will continue that way. It will now get to a chamber we call the MRF.
Okay.
That's the material recovery facility. So at that side, all the waste that are tied up in plastics and whatever are cut open to expose the waste.
Okay.
So that they can continue on the conveyor belt for sorting to be done.
Okay.
So the various sorters will sort the plastics, some will sort the PETs, some will sort the pure water sachets and so on. We send it to the recycling section.
Okay.
Good. So at the recycling section, the PET, that's the bottled water containers, they are now flaked.
Okay.
They are cut into pieces.
Small pieces.
Yes,
Okay.
those are the flakes. And then the pure water sachet, they go through an extruder. An extruder is a machine that it heats at a very high temperature.
Okay.
So we feed it in there. It melts out in a molten form. Okay. And then we have another machine that will cut it into small pellets.
Okay.
And then at the end of the day, we sell that raw material to the plastic companies. They use it for these tables, chairs, and what have you.
And I saw something for you. Check like sand. It be sand.
No, it's not sand. That's what we call the organic compost. So the banku, the peels of the plantain and whatever, we decompose them, and then it ends up producing that material.
That's the way I see it.
Exactly.
So it's not be sand.
No. That's organic compost. Other materials, we are able to convert them to a product called the RDF. That's the refuse.
Yes, the RDF. Exactly.
Yes. So at the end of the day, something like your textile, the paper, the cardboards, and other plastics will still not go to the landfill, but rather we will convert it into another product.
So that be 360. Nothing they go back to the land.
Nothing goes to the landfill.
And the RDF, that be what you guys did. It be the fuel or something?
Yes, it's the fuel for the industry. So like the cement production companies, those who use boilers that use the biomass, they can also use this. And it's really a cost-saving product.
Bro, I couldn't believe it myself.
All right. As before, moment take the initiative. Near value the air, near fan develop because it's honest you be bed develop my and see that. And see, moment value the air. Na yen use bibia famboy ho. I'm out.